So you are a data scientist who has just run a machine learning algorithm and you see this. You are now more confused and you have no idea what this matrix is. This matrix is called the confusion matrix, and the good news is that in this video I'm going to remove the confusion from the confusion matrix. Let's understand the confusion matrix with the help of a use case. The use case is that you are a citizen data scientist and you have been asked to predict if a patient has diabetes. So as a data scientist, you run the machine learning classification algorithms and you will get this matrix. Now this matrix is very familiar. You have seen this before. Now the columns here, the patient with diabetes and patient does not have diabetes, these are your actual values. These are your actual values from your data set. The rows here, which is these two rows, patient with diabetes and patient does not have diabetes, these are your predicted values. This is what your machine learning algorithm predicted. With me so far? Great. Now the green boxes are good and the red boxes are bad. Now what this really means is that in the first green box, the machine learning algorithm correctly predicted that the patient has diabetes when the patient actually had diabetes. Okay. In the second green box, the machine learning algorithm predicted that the patient did not have diabetes, and in your data set, the patient actually did not have diabetes. So these two things are good. Compared to red, where if you see that the patient does not actually have diabetes, but the machine learning algorithm predicted that the patient has diabetes. Okay. So how do we use this? How do we use this confusion matrix in a real life, real world scenario? Now confusion matrix is great to compare machine learning models. Let's say you have a data of 200 patients and you run two models to classify patients with diabetes. Now if you see, model 1 has better accuracy than model 2. In model 1, you will notice that the machine learning algorithm predicted that patient had diabetes in about 120 patients. Now when you compare that with model 2, the correct number of predictions were only 100. Therefore, in this instance, your model 1 would be your winner, and that is the classification algorithm that you would use to predict patients with diabetes. In your data science journey, you're going to use confusion matrix a lot. So I really hope that you found this video helpful. And if you did find this video helpful, please share this on your LinkedIn with your friends and colleagues. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.